Guys, everyone, I hope everyone will fine. In this video, I'm going to share with all of you English story about the phoenix rise. In a small village nestled between towering mountains, there lived a young girl named Arya. Arya, she had always dreamed of becoming a master potter, just like her grandmother who had passed away when Arya was a child. Arya's parents of supportive urged her to focus on more practical pursuits. Undeterred, Arya spent every spare moment experimenting with clay, shaping and molding it into beautiful vessels. She faced numerous setbacks, broken pots, failed bats, and self doubt. Yet she persevered, fueled by her passion and determination. One day, Arias' village was hit by a devastating earthquake, leaving destruction in its wake. Aria's own pottery studio was destroyed, and her dreams seemed shattered. However, instead of giving up, she saw an opportunity. Aria decided to use her skills to help rebuild the village, creating functional and beautiful pottery for the new home. As Arya worked tirelessly, her pottery became renowned throughout the region. People marveled at her creativity, skill, and resilience. Arya's studio flourished and she became a symbol of hope and inspiration for her community. Years later, Arias' poetry was celebrated far and wide, and she had become a master of her craft. She had turned her dreams into reality, and in doing so, had helped others rebuild their lives. As Arias looked back on her journeys, she realized that the earthquake that had destroyed her studio had also given her a new chance at life. She had risen from the ashes like a phoenix, her passion and determination burning brighter than ever. Arias' story spread, inspiring others to chase their dreams, no matter the obstacles, and as they did, they too discovered that with perseverance and hard work, even the most daunting challenge could be overcome.